C. Cyber's College of Non-Conventional Vocational Courses for Women was established by a great visionary, late Professor Dr. A.D. Shinde, in the year 1994 with the sole objective of women empowerment. This legacy is now being successfully run by CA Dr. R.A. Shinde, Secretary and Managing Trustee C. Cyber. The logo of this college says Asmabhi Udyogini Nirmiti, which means creating women entrepreneurs, and the college is purely justifying this.
Namaskar, I am Dr. A.R. Kulkarni, Principal, College of Non-Conventional Occasional Courses for Women. Extend warm welcome to you. This college is affiliated to Shiva Institute Kolhapur and is accredited by NAC Bangalore with 2.79 score during the third cycle. This college was established by late Professor A.D. Shinde, who was a great educationalist and a chartered accountant with the objective of women empowerment through skill development. Keeping in a vision, college started BSc Food Technology Management, BA Dressmaking Fashion Coordination, Bachelor degree in Interior Designing, BA Multimedia, BCom Bank Management, Business Management, BSc Environmental Science, Postgraduate Diploma in Nutrition and Dietetics. In addition to the existing courses, in order to make a student more employable, we added a number of add-on courses including foreign languages such as French, German, Japanese. Altogether, 25 online add-on courses are introduced which girl students can complete it during the time of 1 to 2 years from the date of admission. College has got a beautiful campus of 12 acres of land in the heart of the city. We have got the beautiful classrooms with ICT facilities, laboratories to meet the curriculum development, library where each girl student can avail at least 10 books at a given time. We got a very good sports facilities where students can take part in any event according to their interest and their capability and participate at university level, state level or international national level also. Being a girls college, we got a very good girls hostel where more than 300 girl students can be accommodated, and we got 24/7 security on campus. We got a bank with ATM facilities. We got a very good IQAC room for meeting the NAC requirement also. Our the first college where, keeping in mind the environmental parameters, 100% energy requirement is met through a solar energy. CNCVCW is not just a college who restrict teaching only to classroom, but the teachers of this college are dedicated and go beyond the classroom and the syllabus and work for the overall development of the students in order to make them employable and entrepreneurs. Thank you very much.
This is our food processing laboratory where students can study the manufacturing of various products like the products based on milk and milk products, bakery, confectionery, fruit and vegetable products, cereal, legume, oilseed products, dehydration of vegetables and preparation of instant mixes. So after preparation of all the food products, students carry out the sensory analysis to check the consumer acceptability in terms of color, flavor, taste, mouthfeel. So this lab is also used for formulation and new product development under the research work. This is our food analysis lab where after preparation of the product, the food product is tested chemically, microbiologically and physically. So it is very important to check the product chemically to check the acidity, protein, fat, mineral content of food product and to get the nutritive value of that food product. Microbial quality testing is also important to check whether that product is safe for human consumption or not and to study the shelf life of the food product.
This is our interior design department. Students are prepared to meet the need and challenges of society for beautiful interiors for residential, commercial and interior spaces. Design sense is developed by giving them the assignments of subjects like design, aesthetics and graphics. Students are also provided with the different platforms like competitions. For this, students are imparted with the knowledge of different softwares used in interiors and professions. Students are also motivated to develop their individual skills like wall painting just to enhance their aesthetical sense and develop the confidence to meet the challenges of the profession.
This is our design studio. Here our students do the designing part, the textile designing, apparel designing, sketching part is taught in this lab. Along with that, our visual merchandising displays also are done in the same lab. So we can see the girls doing display here and doing the sketching part over here. This is our DPC lab. In this DPC lab, we actually do the drafting and pattern cutting. After the designing, the girls are supposed to do the pattern of that. So the drafting part is done here, and then they do the paper cutting, and after paper cutting, this same patterns are placed on the fabric and fabric cutting is done in this lab. And from this, they move to the machine workshop. This is our sewing machine lab. Here we are having about more than 80 sewing machines, out of which 60 are domestic machines. In domestic machines also we are having two types. One is half shuttle and full shuttle. In the beginning, for the students we teach them on the domestic machine, and later on these girls move to the industrial machines. It is very important for the girls to learn industrial sewing machine also. Industrial sewing machine, we also have overlocking machine and embroidery machine in this lab.
BSc Environment Science is 3 years degree program affiliated to Shivaji University. This course has semester pattern, whereas theory exams will be held after each semester and practical exams will be conducted on annual basis. This program is blend of different subjects such as environmental pollution, environmental impact assessment, soil science, environmental legislation, disaster management, etc. The objectives of this program are to give sound knowledge with understanding of environmental science and to make study of environment science popular, interesting and encouraging students for higher education. During this course, theory lectures will be accompanied by practicals, field visits and study tours. Different competitions, poster presentations and guest lectures will be arranged in order to increase students' understanding of the subject. Industrial visits are also arranged in order to promote student-industry interaction. There is a wide scope for environmental science in different sectors such as environmental consultancies, non-government organizations, environmental health and safety department in various industries, state and central pollution control boards and other government organizations such as NIRI, IITM, etc. Overall, it can be said that this program will help to increase the women employability in environment sector.
BA Multimedia is a 3 years degree course affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. This unique program has 6 semesters which includes theory and practicals. BA Multimedia course is a blend of different medias which is designed to give sound knowledge with understanding different aspects, which includes digital photography, photo editing, graphic designing, advertising, video editing, sound editing, 2D and 3D animation, also script writing and storyboard designing and special effects. This course covers basic to advanced designing knowledge in all types of media. During the academic year, various events are organized at a departmental level. Such events are poster presentation, guest lectures, study tours, entrepreneurship programs, and exhibitions. After the completion of this course, one can able to work as a graphic designer, web designer, creative visualizer, creative director, etc., which makes it as an ultimate choice for the student. Overall, this course will help women to get more opportunities in the graphic designing field.
BCom Bank Management is 3 years course affiliated to Shivaji University. The course has semester pattern, that is 6 semesters, and after completion of each semesters, examinations are held. The course has given full preference to banking sector and has tried to cover all aspects related to working of banks. Apart from banking subjects, the course also focuses on overall development of students through subjects like impression management and has introduced foreign languages such as German, Japanese and French in the curriculum. During academic year, college organizes industrial study tours, guest lectures from experts and students' industry interaction sessions by which students will be aware of practical application of course study. Apart from this, the college also encourages add-on courses like Tally, ERP for extra skill development. Overall, BCom Bank Management course is especially designed taking into consideration current requirement of banking sector, which will help our students to get better job opportunities.
Along with all these academics, college also conducts various activities like annual exhibition, displays, social outreach activities, study tours, sports, cultural day celebration, freshers and send-off party, convocation and annual gathering.